That's it, Sammy. I'm exhausted.
But Roger, how else can I practice for the International Dodgeball Tournament among slimes?
We're crafters, remember? I'm sure we can come up with something.
Yippee!
Hi guys, look what we have here. A lot of cardboard pieces, which can mean only one thing, a new craft.
So what's it gonna be, Raj? A giant slingshot? A catapult?
Better, a huge blaster that will serve plastic balls.
Awesome! Did you hear that, guys? Then quick, give us a thumbs up! Oh, and be careful with the glue gun.
By the way, our blaster will have quite an unusual design. Don't spare the hot glue, guys. Whoop. Let's see if you'll guess what I have in mind. Here's a hint. Just try to recollect one awesome video game called Brawl Stars.
Holy cannoli! I have to check it out right now!
By the way, Sammy, I didn't know that you played dodgeball.
Are you kidding? I was a champion 3 years in a row back in Tibidaba. The main thing in dodgeball is to move fast. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee, you know.
That's from a slightly different sport, Sammy. Anyway, have you already solved my riddle? I can give you another hint.
Hey, I don't need your pity hints. Humph.
Oh, just look at him! As you wish. Guys, you see? The plastic balls will fly from here later. But of course, we still have a lot of adjustments to make.
Maybe if I help, I'll figure out faster what our blaster will look like.
Well, in that case, you can go find 5 motors. We're gonna need them pretty soon.
Holy cannoli! Is that blaster going to fly to the moon?
You never know. Right, guys? Oh, perfect. Now we need to place this piece right there. Got it? Hey, Sammy, where are you? Did you find what I asked for? I kinda need the
Yes, Roger, I'm coming!
motors.
Just let me look around. Ah, you two might also come in handy.
Let's press a bit and great! We're about to start installing our motors here.
Guys, if you are as curious about our craft as I am, then give us a thumbs up.
Whoa, thanks!
And don't forget to subscribe.
This motor goes right here. And this little buddy will be extremely helpful over here.
Holy cannoli! Roger, I know what brawler is the prototype to our craft.
Well, that didn't take long.
It's Ricochet Rico! Am I right?
You're absolutely right, my smart slimy friend. Ah, guys, check this out. We're gonna need these ring-like pieces to make a spring so that our Rico could serve the balls. And in the game, his ball-like bullets can bounce off walls and continue traveling.
That's one awesome skill!
Our blaster won't have that feature, of course, but this spring will help serve bullets really fast.
Wow, that thing kinda hypnotizes me. Whoa, whoa.
Wait till we finish with our electric circuit. After that, it will rotate really fast. Let me do all the soldering off camera, guys, just to make it faster. We'll be back really soon. Guys, you had better ask an adult to help you connect all the electric stuff with wires and then carefully secure everything.
There you go.
Well done, Sammy. I wonder what did you make this from? Anyway, it fits perfectly. Guys, note that we have the same pieces on every motor. All we need to do is add a little bit of hot glue. There you go. And then press a bit. Like this.
Hey, Roger, catch these!
Well done, Sammy. Just as well as I did. Now this goes here. And the other one goes on the opposite side. Up.
By the way, a true crafter is ready to give up anything to make a cool craft.
You know what? You're right. Why don't you sacrifice that giant cookie jar of yours then? We could make something from it too.
A cookie jar? But I doubt that Rico likes this type of cookies.
Which only proves the statement. Guys, Rico in the game has a number of gadgets, and our Rico blaster will have quite a big muzzle.
So, will it work like the multi-ball launcher, or like the bouncy castle?
Well, you're gonna have to watch this video till the end to find that out. Even though we're just making this blaster for your dodgeball practice.
Ah, you're as slick as me, Roger.
You bet. Now let's check how everything works.
Ow! Shiver me cheddars! That was awesome!
I'm glad that you're satisfied and that everything works as it should.
Guys, if you agree, support us with a thumbs up! I really want to see how many brawlers we have here!
Hey, Sammy, check this out.
A gear wheel? Cool!
Not exactly. Watch closely. Now we're talking. This multi-layered piece is going to be an element of our blaster's muzzle. It's a kind of functional decor, you know?
Oh, as Rico would have said, teamwork for the win! Hey, what's going on?
Just a little prank, Sammy. Check this out, guys. We've secured a few pieces of cardboard together so that the whole piece was rather bendy. And now we'll make this piece look more Rico style. Guys, remember that you can always ask an adult to help you with this craft. There are so many complicated pieces that are not so easy to cut out.
But not for me! Haha, there's nothing I can't do!
Yeah, like get tangled in a piece of corrugated cardboard. Speaking of which, this strip goes right here. We're gonna need one more piece like that. Here we go. Yeah, that's a lot of pieces.
Roger, I must say, you look tired. Do you need a break?
I don't mind checking out Brawl Stars, just for a sec.
Guys, don't go anywhere if you want to find out how many plastic balls will fit into our blaster!
Let's cover this space with this big and cool piece.
Brave brawlers approve! Am I right, Rico?
Rico can super fire bullets, which is kind of what our craft is all about. Now this is a kind of a holder to store the batteries. It goes right here. I wonder where Sammy is and why he isn't helping me. This multi-layered piece goes right here. Press a bit, nothing complicated. And we'll just mirror it to the opposite side. Oh!
I'm right here and I'm far ahead of you, Raj. Hey, wait, let me explain. I glued a few pieces of cardboard together, put a spring inside, and attached a piece of aluminum. Oh, then you should ask an adult to solder up a wire to it.
Well done, Sammy! Maybe you want to install the whole trigger construction in its place?
Consider it done. Okay. Uh-huh. All done! Aha!
Great job, Sammy! Don't leave me hanging, ha! Guys, this is what you should get. But remember to never work with the wires without adult supervision.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Now we'll cover the whole thing up, and then we'll attach the whole thing right here.
Hey, Raj! Our Rico Brawl Blaster seems to be missing something. I knew that, I knew.
Oh, really, Sammy? Oh, maybe you were talking about this piece? But think harder.
Well, we all know that Rico has only one eye.
Yes. What are you implying at?
Then why are you making him that mask? Please don't tell me that I've cut out these pieces for nothing!
This is the element of containers for our plastic balls. And they'd better be transparent so that we can see how many balls are left. So, whoosh! And this is what we've got. Cool, right?
Wow, this place is so big! I can easily fit inside!
All we've left to do is to make 4 closing caps, 2 for each ball container. They will resemble some kind of steps made of cardboard and corrugated cardboard. All right, let's wrap it up. Very well. Sammy, could you go fetch those plastic balls? We're gonna need a lot of them. In the meantime, we'll do this.
Ugh, the balls are here! Are you done, Raj?
Almost. Let me just glue this eye in its place right here. And now we need to combine everything. All right, Sammy, let's build this brawler up.
Woohoo! Let's do this!
There we go. It looks like this will take a while, guys. And a lot of these.
Guys, do you want to check out our enormous blaster one more time? Then follow me!
Well, Sammy, are you ready to practice for your slime dodgeball tournament?
Well, you know, Raj, maybe you should better practice for first.
Rico says playtime is over. Sure, but first, whoa! You need to gather all the plastic balls to load our Brawl Blaster back.
What? But there are like 500 of them!
Guys, I hope that you liked our craft today. Don't forget to subscribe! Bye!